Hey guys, I'm here today to unbox my, October Boxycharm. I think I had this in January, I think is the video I posted, and then I canceled it. But now that I have an income again and I just want to get a little present every month of surprise, because that's the point of 2020 that we're in right now. I decided to sign back up. Yeah, so we're having some fun over here with Boxycharm because my life is slightly boring. So this is the fun that is being had. Okay, so I have already opened this and looked at the products because I got it like, I guess this past week. And I didn't have time to film at that point. So I have opened it, looked at the products. I've used one of them, no, two of them, but the rest I have not used. So they did have a promotion going on, which was another deciding factor in why I signed back up, that if you re-signed up, you could get either a palette or something else. I don't remember what that was, but I did end up choosing the palette option. So this is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. I think it's the variation Sheen. Nope, never mind. Maybe it doesn't have a name. Okay, because that's talking about the different eyeshadows, so never mind. So it does come with a mirror, and here are the shades. I have not swatched this or anything. I just think this looks like a good neutral palette. I really like these colors right here. I can always use a good like brow bone shade, crease shade, whatever. So I guess I can swatch these for you. Okay, where should I do this at? I guess we're gonna do it down my wrist or my arm because I won't have enough room. This feels weird to do. I have not done that in a while. Okay, there are those shades. And oh no, there they are there. And now I need a towel. And the other shades, they seem like relatively pigmented. They're not like anything super, you know, exciting, but okay. How do I do this? There we go. Okay, this is so awkward, but there they are. Relatively pigmented. I like the shimmers. The mattes seem to blend well. Seems like a good one, maybe. We will see. So that was a little freebie situation that I got. So that's always exciting. So the card for this month says Boxycharm Candy Shop. So that's the theme of this month. So I'm just going to go in order of what's on the card. So the first item I got, which I'm very excited about, is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. And the card says that this is worth $38. A delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up. So it does like have the sleeve. I don't know, sometimes I appreciate when they actually have like the packaging versus just here's the product. But the packaging is the same as the little sleeve, and it does not have a mirror, which that's fine. It comes with 9 shadows, kind of cooler tone purple colors, which I normally don't wear, but I know that purple goes well with brown eyes, so we'll see. I'm going to swatch these because I have not done that. Looks like the mattes might take some building. Ooh, that's really pretty. They honestly all kind of look like they need to be built up. Kind of light. Which can be nice. I appreciate that it's not, you know, like too much. You can build it and put it to your liking. Okay. Oh wait, how do I do this? There we go. Awkward, awkward, awkward. My arm does not move like that and the camera's in a weird position. The shimmers are definitely nice. I like those colors. The mattes do look buildable. So I think that's nice. I'll have to try that out and let you guys know what I think. But I have heard good things about that palette, so we'll see. Where did I put the card? Okay, the next thing is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. This is so ironic that I got this because I literally just went to the store and got a L'Oreal setting spray because I ran out of my Morphe one and I didn't want to go to Ulta. So now I have two. But this is worth $23. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra-fine vegan super fruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. So I love a good setting spray. I usually always use one. I don't really know that it helps anything, but I just feel like it takes the powdery look down a little bit, meshes everything together once you're finished, and I do think it might help your makeup stay on. Maybe, I don't know. But I have that, and then another product that I have tried is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and this is worth $40. And it says this multitasking cleansing exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. This also came at a more perfect time. This could not have came at a more perfect time. I cannot speak. This has been going on for a while, and if you have any tips, leave them down below because I'm almost at the point where I feel like I need to go get a facial. Maybe that would help. But my face is normally pretty just like combo to oily. Just depends on the day. But I do get dry skin sometimes, and sometimes it's when I don't have makeup on, but then some days when I wear makeup, it's just specifically in this area right here. And this is really weird too. It's like right here where my lips are, if I open my mouth, like if I'm eating, it's like this skin right here just stretches because it's so dry, and then my makeup's all flaky and it literally looks ridiculous. And it somehow happens basically every time I go on a date, and I'm just like, okay, that's wonderful. Don't hate me with this weird dry skin situation. And it does make me a little bit self-conscious because it just looks ridiculous, and I don't think it's my makeup, because it happens sometimes when I don't have makeup on. It's just dry, peely skin. I don't know. I moisturize, I wash my face every day. It's not like I'm changing up products. So I have used this 2 times at this point, and it hasn't seemed to help anything. That situation has been bad this week. So I don't know. It's just weird. So if you have any suggestions for that or anything that you think might help, please leave that down below. That would be very helpful. Okay, so the next thing I got, another exciting product that I have tried, is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted, what does that say? Cupachu? I don't know, we're going to go with that. Lip butter, which is worth $20. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of whatever that butter is, acai and coconut oils, cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of something. I don't know how to pronounce it. Help. And I got the shade Keep It... No, that's not it, I don't think. Is it? Yes, Keep It Rio is the shade. This, I think, smells like donuts, which I appreciate. I love a good donut. But I like the packaging for this. It's very cute. I really do like this brand. This is sort of just like a clear lip balm situation. It has a little pink, but if I put it on my lips, it's really just going to look clear. I've used it a couple times. It seemed like it was nice, so excited to have that. And then the last thing I have is something that I have gotten in Boxycharm in the past, and I don't know how I feel about it because I just don't think I understand like what the purpose is. But this is the Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. Spongel has collaborated with Boxycharm to create limited edition body wash infused buffers. These buffers, with built-in body wash, are infused with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. And this is $20 retail value. So I don't know. I guess it's because I use a washcloth and I don't use like a loofah. This smells really good, but I don't know. I didn't get much use out of the other one. I do like it for the purposes of like trying to exfoliate off a self-tan. So I might just save this for next summer when I self-tan again, because I don't self-tan in the winter because that seems like a waste of my time. So I did use it for that purpose. I don't know. My skin's kind of sensitive and this kind of hurt. Honestly, like when I was rubbing it on my skin, I just prefer like a normal exfoliator situation. So I'll try this again probably next year. So there's that. So I'm very excited to have Boxycharm and something to look forward to every month. In addition to my Book of the Month subscription, I just love subscription boxes because they're so fun. I like the surprise aspect, the aspect that you're giving yourself a gift, like even though you didn't buy it. Like you bought the box, but you didn't pick out the products. Like I just think that's a fun concept. And at this point, I just need some small things to make me happy. So this is what we're doing. So hopefully I can keep up with these unboxings. Grad school is on the down slope at this point, so we're almost done with semester 1, so I'm gonna have a lot of time, especially in December and January, and then everything will pick back up again. But yes, so I'm going to add up what this box was worth. I think I can't remember how much it is. 27, 25, 22, 20, 23. I have no idea. I can't remember. Oh gosh, that's sad. Okay. It's one of those. It's 20 something. So that probably does not help at all. Yes. So this box in total was worth $141 with what products I received. And then that doesn't even include the studio makeup palette that I got with the renewing my subscription. So $141, exciting products that I can definitely see myself using. If you got Boxycharm, let me know what you got this month. And I am going to put my like refer code in the description box if you're interested and want to use that. I think you get a discount and then I get like a credit toward my account or something. So I'll definitely put that down below. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.